Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Developing patience and a healthy mindset is essential when it comes to stock trading. Here are some tips that can help. Number 1. Set realistic expectations. Don't expect to get rich quickly through stock trading. It takes time, research, and experience to become successful in this field. Set realistic goals and work towards achieving them. Number 2. Keep learning. Stock trading is a dynamic field, and there's always something new to learn. Keep up to date with the latest market news, trends, and analysis. Attend seminars, webinars, and read books on trading to improve your knowledge and skills. Number 3. Manage your emotions. Emotions like fear, greed, and impatience can cause you to make impulsive decisions that can harm your trading performance. It's essential to remain calm and focused, even when things aren't going as planned. Number 4. Have a trading plan. Having a well-defined trading plan can help you stay disciplined and focused. This plan should outline your entry and exit points, risk tolerance, and investment objectives. Number 5. Practice patience. Patience is key in stock trading. It's essential to wait for the right opportunities to present themselves and not make rash decisions. Don't chase after trends or try to time the market. Instead, focus on long-term investments and stick to your plan. Number 6. Use risk management strategies. Stock trading involves risk, and it's essential to manage that risk effectively. Use strategies like stop-loss orders to limit your losses and diversify your portfolio to spread your risk. Number 7. Accept losses. Losses are a part of trading, and it's important to accept them and move on. Don't let emotions like regret or frustration cloud your judgment. Learn from your losses and use them to improve your trading strategy. Number 8. Focus on the long term. Stock trading is a long-term game. It's important to have a long-term perspective and not get distracted by short-term fluctuations in the market. Focus on investing in quality stocks with strong fundamentals that have the potential to grow over time. Number 9. Keep your emotions in check. Emotional discipline is essential when it comes to stock trading. Don't let your emotions get the best of you, and avoid making impulsive decisions. Stay calm, composed, and rational at all times. Number 10. Practice self-care. Stock trading can be stressful, and it's important to take care of yourself both mentally and physically. Make time for exercise, relaxation, and self-care activities to help reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. Number 11. Build a support system. Surround yourself with people who support and encourage you in your trading endeavors. Join trading communities, attend meetups, and seek out mentorship opportunities to learn from experienced traders. Number 12. Track your progress. Keeping track of your trading performance is essential to identify areas of improvement and measure your progress over time. Keep a trading journal, track your trades, and evaluate your performance regularly. Number 13. Learn from your mistakes. Mistakes are inevitable in stock trading. The key is to learn from them and avoid making the same mistakes again. Use your mistakes as opportunities for growth and improvement. Number 14. Be patient and persistent. Stock trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, effort, and persistence to become successful. Don't give up if you experience setbacks, and keep working towards your goals. By following these tips, you can develop the patience and healthy mindset necessary to succeed in stock trading. Overall, developing a patient and healthy mindset for stock trading requires discipline, knowledge, and experience. With the right mindset and strategies, you can become a successful trader over time. Remember, success in trading is not just about making money but also about managing risk and maintaining a disciplined approach to investing. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for any future updates.